Hi guys, I had a special order for a bridal shower last weekend and I thought it would be perfect to show you step by step how I made this vintage Burnaway cake. So first, I filled my 4 layers of dark chocolate mud cake with milk chocolate ganache. And around the edges, I piped white buttercream because this cake will be covered in white buttercream all around, so I didn't want any chocolate ganache to show. I filled the gaps and did my crumb coat first. As always, I chilled the cake in the fridge, and after about 30 minutes, I brought it back out and did the final coating. To achieve a perfect smooth coat, sometimes I have to do this twice or even more. So just keep smoothing the sides, adding more buttercream to imperfect spots, then smoothing again until you're happy with the result. For your information, I always prefer using Swiss meringue buttercream for the final coat because it's so smooth, silky, and very easy to apply. Now, if you're happy with the covering, we can move on to adding our edible images. As I mentioned earlier, this is for a bridal shower. So first, I'm placing the edible image that says Mrs. D'Angelo, which is the new family name for the bride, which will be revealed after the top print that says soon to be will be burnt. So make sure you put the correct images in the right order. Here, I did all the piping. I used different piping tips, so you can use whichever you like, but I personally love the look of ruffle piping around the bottom and along the sides, so that's what I did. For the drapes, I usually mark the spots first, but I was being lazy that day and didn't want to waste too much time, so I just eyeballed it. I tried out a few new piping techniques on this cake, which I was quite happy with the result. And to finish it off, I added yellow ribbons, which the client specifically requested. Lastly, to make it look more elegant, I sprinkled edible gold dust on top of the cake. And that's it, our vintage bridal shower Burnaway cake is complete. I hope this tutorial gave you some inspiration. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you soon for another cake adventure.